Hi guys, welcome back to Marisa Thailand Buriram. Today we decided to go to the waterfall Namuang 2 like very beautiful in Koh Samui, but we didn't know that it's gonna have water or not, so let's see how it is. Go and check it out with us. Guys, now we are arrived at Namuang Waterfall 2, Namuang Waterfall 2 now, but it's kind of a little bit rain, so we just take a break at the shop in front of the entrance to the waterfall for a little bit. So when the rain was gone, so we're gonna go high up to the mountain there. This is my second time here, so Namuang Waterfall 2. I came with Serena today, so she would like to go to like jacuzzi up to mountain high, but it's a little bit rain. I think it's gonna be alright. Let's go. We are at the halfway, and this time I passed just first, second, and third floor. But this time we're gonna go to the top view. Are you good? I'm still okay. Exercise. All right, see you there, guys. Hey, finally, we can do it. At the top view, Namuang Waterfall 2. I've had to take like a lot of photos here. The view is so incredible. The view is like so wonderful. I have been here for the second time, but this time it's like, wow. You must see it, guys. Alright guys, so we enjoy like joyful with this waterfalls, Namuang Waterfalls 2. So guys, if you have visited here in Koh Samui, been to Koh Samui, don't miss this place. Come to here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you next video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell to see more video of